how to use Sanguine fabric in Watcher of Realms. So the Sanguine fabric is one of the Gearforge materials you can get from the Astral Guardians, the Wicked Vengeance, and the Light's Grace once you're doing the dungeon, the gear dungeon, I mean. If you're getting confused on how to use it specifically, since it should show you how to use it once you pretty much say the item, it should say the foundry, then to the gear forge to use consumable to craft item, but you're gonna have to unlock pretty much the gear dungeon 1 or 2, so you might not be far enough, so go ahead and unlock those first. So basically what it means is the gear dungeons, which is unlocked after beating level 18 of each gear raid. So apparently it does take quite some time, but if you do have the time, then of course you can do that. That way you will be able to use the Sanguine fabrics. But that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and beat all the gear raids 18, which is gonna take quite some time, but it is probably worth it depending on what you want in this game. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.